I'm wasting all my time thinking of the things we could do.
अरे दीवानो मुझे पहचानो कहाँ से आया मैं हूँ कौन. So guess who's back again with another vlog, but after a long period of time. So let's talk outside. We have to do lots of talking now. Okay, so finally I'm one-on-one with you guys. A long gap of 6 months, man. A long gap of 6 months. And so the most of you have been asking about me is like, where have you been? Why are you not uploading your videos now these days? So the past 6 months I was really busy in my personal work and I couldn't upload any of the videos. So a big sorry to my all the subscribers. I couldn't upload any videos. A big sorry for that. Right now I'm at Bodh Gaya, Bihar. Actually I was on my pilgrimage tour since last week of Feb. And as for your information, Bodh Gaya is a very sacred and holy place. It's a home ground for Buddhism, as Lord Buddha got enlightenment in this place. So it's very sacred place. All over the people across the world come here to worship, and feels great over here. So as you know that the whole world have been dealing with this pandemic disease which is COVID-19, and due to that there was a complete lockdown since 25th of March, and today is 3rd of May. 40 days have been completed. So there was a complete lockdown and I couldn't move outside this town. I couldn't make it towards my hometown, so I was stuck here since 25th of March. And so there was an instruction by the government that you have to stay at your places, not to move outside your home. So I choose to stay in this lodge, and it was a better option for me. It was much safer option to me because safety is your number one priority. Okay, so right now we are in our room, and with me Tizin Dhruder, my friend, and I think so. Dango sudor something you are. Sudor now.
Sorry, but I think it's your turn right now.
Okay, so means Dango kiran dorwa, and today is my turn to buy sabji, and the timing here is like markets are open from 6 to 10. So right now it's 8 o'clock and it's perfect time to move. But before moving, safety is your number one priority. So I have to put a mask, and for style there should be a goggle laser. And that's our room. That's one. This is our room, and with near, and this is sabji market. And today we're gonna buy some sabji. टमाटर दे दो 1 किलो. कैसा दिया टमाटर? 20 रुपए का दे दो. 1 किलो दे दो टमाटर. तो ये टमाटर, ब्रिंजल, खीरा. प्याज बांध दो
2 किलो
1 किलो बांध दो. करेला भी डाल दो. एक काम कर, करेला भी डाल दो. करेला भी 1 किलो कर दो. कितना करेला? 20। लो लो, धन्यवाद। Okay, so right now about vegetables, and I'm moving further towards post office, Gandhi Chowk. There I have to buy some suji and masala stuff. हाँ जी भैया, पाउडर वाला मिर्ची देना। पाउडर एक सूजी, अमूल बटर, मैदा 1 किलो और 1 लीटर का रिफाइंड तेल और लाल मिर्च। बस हो गया। हाँ, ये अमूल बटर हो गया, ये तेल हो गया जी, ये सूजी हो गया, ये मैदा, ठीक है जी, और लाल मिर्च ये हो गया। चलो बांध दो भैया। 450 हो गया ना भैया? ठीक है, थैंक यू। ओके, सो यहाँ से ले लिया है सामान, एंड आई विल जस्ट शो यू द गांधी चौक। सो दिस इज अ गांधी चौक एरिया। Almost done, and I'm moving towards my home. Oh, ले सर। खैर अदब, बाहर मैं जंग लड़ के आ रहा हूँ अभी कोरोना से, और तू यहाँ पे आराम से बैठा है भाई। Past few days I have been writing few poems in Hindi during the lockdown days. So today I want to share one of the poem with you guys. Is मेरे लफ्ज़ों की ज़ुबानी, मेरे लफ्ज़ों की ज़ुबानी, मेरे लफ्ज़ों की ज़ुबानी, आज फिर मैं क्यों कलम उठाने पर मजबूर हुआ, आज फिर मैं क्यों कलम उठाने पर मजबूर हुआ। मेरे कानों से गुजरती हुई हवा ना जाने किस और इशारा करती, ऐसा शांत ना देखा था मैंने कभी। इस शांति में भी अशांति का महसूस होता है। किराए के कमरे के वारंडे से बैठा देखता इस सूनी सी सड़क को, ऐसा लगता ये सूनी सी सड़क मुझे आवाज़ दे रही हो, आवाज़ उस चोट की जिसके दर्द से सभी जूझ रहे हैं, आवाज़ उस खौफ की जिसके कारण घर के 4 दीवारी में बंधक बनने पर मजबूर हो गई। कभी इन गलियों में क्रिकेट खेलते बच्चे नज़र आते, तो कभी नीचे उस आटा और तेल के चक्की के मशीन का वो शोर जिसके आटक के महक हमारे कमरे तक पहुंचती। वक्त कभी बुरा नहीं होता, कुछ हालातें ऐसी होती हैं जिनसे गुज़रना हमारे लिए एक मजबूरी बन जाती है। वैसे कहना तो बहुत कुछ चाहूँगा, फ़िलहाल अपने जज्बातों को बंद रखना चाहूँगा। एक नई सुबह फिर आएगी तो कुछ नया फिर लिखूँगा, एक नई सुबह फिर आएगी तो नया कुछ फिर लिखूँगा। So this was my vlog for today. I hope you like my video. So do like, share and subscribe. Till then, goodbye. See you next time. Goodbye.